Hello traders, this video is about day trading. This is the fourth video about day trading, practical day trading. We are explaining to traders, okay, how they can day trade like professional traders, discussing different day trading strategy. Now there are more to day trading, and we will continue to record this video to explain to traders, especially the TSTW24 traders, what they need to pay attention to improve their day trading. All right. Now, if you have been day trading for some time, you are going round, maybe you meet few things. Maybe you are over trading, or you are trading at the wrong time of the day, or you are violating the market pattern, or you are not paying attention to the economy news, or you are just trading the wrong financial instrument. So maybe you are trading Forex, but Forex is not suitable to you. Maybe you should trade stock, or you are trading stock, maybe stock are not suitable to you, and you should change another financial instrument, all right? Or you are trading the wrong currency pair, depending on your level of experience, all right? So there are a few mistakes that traders are making, and that's why we are addressing here in this series of video about day trading, all right? So far we have recorded 3 videos. The first video, the title of the first video is a momentum oscillator day trader. The second video is the 4-hour chart day trading. The third video is the 1-hour chart day traders. This is the fourth video, and the title of this video is a day trading 2-2. Day trading 2-2, digit 2, all right? We are using the RSI 2-2, RSI period 22. That's why we are calling this video day trading 2-2. This is my own, day trading strategy that I use also, all right, on some specific financial instrument, which I'm giving to traders here for free. You may test it first, all right, always. I see sometimes traders purchase the TSTW24 and it disappears. That's not the right way to do it, okay? This is not the right way to do it. Test it, retest it the first 2 weeks, ask questions, get back to us, send in the chart, slowly but gradually, okay, you get there. Do not dismiss a trading system, do not change trading system day in, day out, do not go round. If, all right, you are going round, it means that you misunderstood something, or you fail, okay, to recognize something, all right? So you want to go back to the blackboard, okay? So maybe you need more experience, maybe you need more practice. Open a demo account with FSCM or with your broker. Try the strategy first on paper, okay? Ask questions, go on YouTube, all right? Go on the internet, read, okay? Improve. You want to use one technical indicator, understand the technical indicator. So here we are talking about RSI. What is the RSI, okay? Go to www.dayprotrader.com. You learn about the RSI, how to use the RSI. Watch the video that we call Momentum Oscillator Day Trader. All right. So this is the step that you need to go, one step at a time. Okay. Don't throw money at it. Use the 5% money management rules and pay attention to the economy news. Okay. Do not day trade on one single time frame. Okay. Let's get started. Day trading 2-2. We are using the relative strength index indicator, period 22. The overbought level is set at 80. The oversold zone is set at 25. Now you will notice that some financial instrument, you may have to adjust the overbought and oversold zone. Here we are looking at the Dow Jones. That's why I set it for 80 and 25. So there is no general rule, but the general rule is that below 30 is oversold, the RSI, and above 70 is overbought. But if you change time frame, you'll see that the variation can be different. All right, we're going to go now to the hourly charts. Okay, so we are using the RSI period 22 on the hourly chart. Overbought 80, oversold, okay, 25. Okay, all right, you see now. So when the RSI period 22 on the hourly chart is overbought, it's pointing to us what? A resistance level. All right, here it is. You see it was overbought here. Though we will not just sell because it's overbought, okay? At this point in time, we draw our warning line, you see? Sometimes the RSI will be overbought first, pointing to us, the price going. Sometimes the RSI is a leading indicator, which means it will be overbought first, pointing to you that the price now approaching a resistance level, or the price is at a resistance level. Sometimes the price may be at a resistance level, but there are better resistance level above the first resistance level. So sometimes traders will close their eyes to the resistance that are above the first resistance level. Draw all of them. So here the RSI is pointing to how this level is a resistance level. Suppose there's another resistance above it. Do not ignore it. Pay attention to them. Sometimes the price will go because the professional will like to sell at the best resistance level. So it's overbought. We draw a warning line, which is the resistance that the RSI is pointing to us. I'm not going to repeat myself again because I understand that you watched the video that we call Momentum Oscillator Day Trader already before watching this video. So you know how to use a momentum oscillator as a day trader, okay? So we follow the guideline. Now you see the price went above it, we will buy instead. Okay, now if the price dip below the warning line, we will sell. Here it is, you see? It went above it, ran away, but if it goes back below the level that the RSI 22 on the hourly chart, repeat, hourly chart, RSI 22 is overbought, the price will see the level, and the price return back below that level will sell straight away. Using a multiple time frame trading, which means go to a lower time frame, draw your channel, you want the price to be at least in a declining channel. Here it's a sell signal, it did below it, went down, okay? When the RSI 22 on the hourly chart right here, so below 25, right here, you can change the setting of your, not the setting, it must be RSI 22 on the hourly chart because it's about day trading 22, but you can change the overbought and oversold level depending on the financial instrument that you are trading. The characteristic of each financial instrument is different, all right? All right? Okay, so it was oversold here, pointing to us that the price at the support level is still the blue line. Pay attention to the vertical line. Still the blue line, stand up for support level. We do our verification, as I explained to you in the first video, which I'm not going to talk about again. On the higher time frame, we are satisfied. It's oversold right here. But it's oversold. What the price has done, the price went down. So the support level that the RSI is pointing to us, the price in fact was in a declining channel. You see, it was displaying lower low. But if the RSI 22 on the hourly chart is oversold, and the price return back above the support level that the RSI was oversold at, we will buy right here. Return above it, we will buy here. Okay? So it was oversold, pointing toward that level. If it goes above that support level, we'll buy. Here, you see here, you can see that it's a conflict here. It become overbought again. So if it's overbought, it's pointing to our resistance level, the same blue line. The same point, the same support level, same point. So still is overbought, but we knew that it was oversold. If it was oversold and it returned back above the support level, it did below it for a while, and it goes above it, we buy. But now it's telling us it's overbought. Okay, if it's overbought, we want to sell. We will sell only when it did below it, but it didn't did below it. Look, since it was overbought, it didn't go back below it. It just ran away. So instead, we will buy. But now the price, you see, it's in a rising channel, yes or no? If you were selling, you are violating the market pattern. At least the common trend line to be broken first. Now, look, again here, the RSI is 22. It's overbought because the price has displayed a higher high. So this support level, this resistance level that the RSI is pointing to us, is kaput because the price went above it. So we won't pay attention to this. Now it's telling us there is a new support level. Which one? All right, which one? Draw the line. Just draw the line. Draw your warning line. You see? That's the line here. So it was overbought there. You can do your verification again. If it did below it, as you can see on the hourly chart, it returned below that line. That's a sell. We use the multiple time frame trading method. We will not take the signal alone on the hourly chart. We may use the TSTW24 to participate in the trade, and we will sell. Very simple, but also powerful. This strategy is valid for financial instruments that move fast. The indices, the currency pair, all right, major blue chip stocks listed on the Dow 30, the DAX 30s, the FTSE 100, okay, ETF, commodity that move fast. This strategy is valid for it. Let's bring on now. So this is a Dow Jones. I want to show you now another. I'm looking for the US dollar Singapore dollar currency pair. What? Bring on now a currency pair on the hourly chart. Where is the level of okay, 80 somewhere up here. 76, 80. Okay, so this is what we are talking about. Each financial instrument is different, all right? So we may see the characteristic of the dollar, Singapore dollar. Maybe we will set our overbought level to 70. You want to see how the financial instrument is reacting, okay, to the RSI 22. So in this case, I can set it at 75, all right? Set it at 75, all right? But we are not changing the setting of RSI 22. We are on an hourly chart. You understand? You are the decision maker. You understand what is taking place. And I may set it to 30 depending on the characteristic of this financial instrument. So now, when it's overbought, the rules are very simple. RSI 22 in overbought zone, this time I'm using 75. Because of the characteristic of this financial instrument, the dollar, Singapore dollar, we will draw again the line, the warning line right here. The best scenario, you can see it here, it just changed direction. The best scenario, we would prefer to go above it for a while before going back below it. But it didn't. You can see it just stop there and start rolling it down. At least the common central line is kaput. And then we will switch time frame and take it there in a declining channel. Again, you can see here, you approach it very closely here on the edge. By the way, I promised traders for years ago that I will share my special RSI with them. This is my RSI, RSI 22, day trading 22. There are more to this, but I'm giving it to traders for free, all right? Here we are, again, almost overbought, so you are there, you are watching it, say, wow, it's not overbought, but there's a resistance there. Okay, same resistance. Okay, don't forget to draw a line. What the price doing? The price was consolidating. This is where a lot of day traders get into trouble. Was consolidating. So in this scenario, if it's consolidating before the RSI becomes overbought, we would prefer to sell at the top here instead of buying at the lower part of the consolidation. So because the price was consolidating, it would be crazy to buy here because this is support level of the consolidation. The RSI is overbought, you see. Multi-talented day trading. So you learn one thing, do not forget the other one. When you apply one strategy, do not forget everything else you have learned before. So we are discussing one strategy here. Do not forget everything else. Or at least you prefer it to dip below it and to retest it. And then you will sell. All right? Here you can see that our RSI 22 on the hourly chart is oversold. All right? Draw the line. Okay? The line we are talking about is this one. This support level. At that point in time, if we want to buy, you see here, the best scenario, we prefer it to dip below it before going above it. But it didn't do that. Like we have seen for the Dow Jones, it didn't go below it. At least we will prefer it. We will prefer the common central line on the hourly chart to be kaput, and we switch time frame looking for a rising channel. Price going up, manage the trade. Pay attention to the economy news and use the trading triangle. Hope you have learned something from this video also about day trading 22. Thank you for watching, and then we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.